If you need to update your phone number on your Bank of America account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually located in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile Settings, look for an option labeled Contact Information or Personal Information. Click on this to proceed. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the field for your phone number. Enter your new phone number and double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on your Bank of America account. Keeping your contact information up to date is important for account security and communication.